Alright, it's a Monday night, we're in Newcastle and restaurant week has just started today in Newcastle. Any one restaurant week in association with Tyne-Wear Metro, and we're being asked to go along by NE1, the business improvement district for Newcastle, to Sachins. It's one of the ones we want to go to, so we've been there before, but we're going to show you all about the menu. It's 3 courses for £20, so when this video goes out on Sunday, restaurant week will be pretty much done, but a lot of places do have a successful week and then they say, oh, we're going to extend it for another week, so that's what might happen. So we'll see if we can find out later on in the week. By the time we post it on Sunday, if that is the case, then I'll try and let you know. But let's see what it's all about. Sachins is located on 4th Banks, which is just behind Central Station, area known as the Stevenson Quarter. It's undergoing quite a bit of redevelopment, this area actually, so this area might well be booming in the years to come. In its current guise, Bob's been there since the year 2000, so 26 years. And if you've got any memories of what it used to be like before Bob took over, do let us know in the comments. We started off with the Cobras, as has got to be done. Quick cheers. And it was 5:30. That looks a bit quiet there. It was 5:30. It was rammed in this restaurant. So we've got ourselves a bit of a booth in here. I've just been going through the menu, which we'll be putting on the screen. So the pre-starters, like a little, well, you'll see it in a minute. We'll have it soon, I'm sure. Starters, there's a vegetable tikka, panna pakora, chicken 65, which what I've ordered, malai tikka, parsi lamb kebab, gunpowder fish, and masala prawns, which is what Tuesday's gone for. And on the mains, I've gone for the moti mahal butter chicken. Tuesday's gone for the desi chicken curry. Getting some poppadoms, we're getting a naan bread, and we're getting some rice. So let's see what it's like. So yes, you have to start off, man, with the poppadoms, don't you? So these poppadoms, we've got 1 each. The dips that we got here, there was like kind of a sweet and sour one, kind of like a tamarind and black pepper dip. And there's also the kind of standard sort of Rata, the mint yogurt one. There was a mango chutney one, but the mango chutney actually had really gigantic lumps of mango in it. It was more kind of lumps of mango than what there was sauce, but it was nice. And also that dreaded onion salad, which everyone tells us that I should be eating. So you have to get poppadoms and dips, obviously. And just to prove that we do listen to all of the people who put stuff in the comments, he's all went on about the onion salad. And I have been trying the onion salad. So just to prove it on camera, got the onion salad, got a little bit of all of the dips. It's not really much in there, is there? There you go. Onion salad and all the works.
Basically, amuse-bouche, we starter.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Aloo tikka basically contains gluten and dairy.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. So the onion salad does work, and then the amuse bushes have just come out, which is there. Nearly lost them. Let's give these a shot. That's good. You can see that. Potato and peas, I think. Trey said peas. Hammered that little amuse-bouche, which was an aloo tikka, kind of just like a spiced potato in breadcrumb. Really nice indeed. Starters wise, yeah, so Tuesday the masala prawns, and I went with the chicken 65. Big king prawns for Tuesday in Punjabi spices with chili, garlic and a yogurt marinade, and then stuck in that tandoor there. My chicken, pieces of chicken marinated in South Indian spices with curry leaves and chopped green chilies. So my starter, chicken 65, show you it there. So it's chicken coated in rice flour, gram flour. We've got some pomegranate on there as well, you can see that. Some curried mayonnaise. It's really nice, really nice. The heat comes kind of afterwards, really tasty. Cracking starter. and Tuesday just getting stuck into those prawns, which were huge. I've had some of them prawns as well, really nice. Yeah, 2 banging starters, and you don't usually get king prawns and stuff as starters, so I think that's quite a good deal as well. So on to the mains, the Moti Mahal butter chicken for me. Tuesday, she got the desi chicken curry. You get a choice of, on this restaurant week menu, you get a choice of either rice or a naan. So we just went 50-50. We got a mushroom pilau and we got a Peshwari naan, and we just shared those. So Tuesday just plating up. So Tuesday's particular curry, pieces of chicken cooked in cumin seed, onion and tomato based masala with Punjabi spices, along with fresh green chilli and yogurt. And then it says on the menu, the dish is all about flavour with slices of ginger and fresh coriander there served on the top. And it was nice, very nice curry. My particular curry, the Moti Mahal butter chicken, the menu does say the dish is first made at this iconic Delhi restaurant. Tandoori cooked in the tandoor, added to a flavourful spiced onion and tomato based sauce, along with some Punjabi masala and a touch of cream and butter. So classic butter chicken. Let me know in the comments what's your favourite type of curry. The mains have landed. Butter chicken for me. Tuesday with the chicken desi curry.
Desi chicken curry.
Desi chicken curry. And a nice bit of naan bread as well there. So let's get stuck in. Piping hot, like, isn't it? Tasty. Right, we're gonna get stuck in. And no better sight in a restaurant than empty plates. A fantastic meal, has to be said. There you go, absolutely banging. Now look at this. Got my favourite. Someone's birthday. Don't think we had that on our bird, someone's birthday. Favourite things in the world. Spot on. There you go, all done. Horrible, miserable January night, but restaurant week done on Monday night, and like I say, I'll keep an eye on it. The video goes live on Sunday. I'll be editing it on probably Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday night, but just before I post it, if I find out that they are extending the restaurant week offer, which loads of places usually do, I'll put it in the description of the video. Have a look in the description, and that should tell you all about it. Yeah, but if not, check out Sachins anyway. I think we've tried pretty much all of the main curry restaurants around Newcastle. My Delhi, Dakwala, Dabawal, Kai Kai, Simla. I know there is other ones, but Sachins definitely one of our favourites. Really good. Service is brilliant, man. Sachins like a bit of a stalwart of the scene around Newcastle. It's been there for a long time, and there's a reason why it's always rammed. Really good service, really good curries. So if you don't subscribe to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to scan that QR code, that will take you to our Instagram, our Threads, our TikTok, our Facebook, our website, our email. Do all that if you want to follow us on those other forms of social media. That would be greatly appreciated. I think that's it. So see you on the next video. Watch what you're doing. Toodles.